Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 7 of the subseries C# reflection getting type information. In this video we will get fields exposed by the class. So each time I'm displaying the slide text from a previous video so that you will quickly get a revision of what we've done previously. Alright, so in the last video we used the property info and we iterated through the property info collection and we displayed the property names. So now we will concentrate on retrieving the field information. Here in the field, if you see, we can get the public field in the sense field name as well as its type. So we already iterate through the types collection and this will list all the class name. In the previous video we wrote a function show properties, and when a type is given for a given type we know how to retrieve all the properties. Now we will write one more function show fields, and this show fields will retrieve all the fields exposed by the type. Here type will be the test class, and if you see the functionality will be similar. From type, this time we are making call to get fields, and this will retrieve field info array just like what we did previously. This time we are iterating through the field info array, then we display field name, then field type dot name. So field name will retrieve name of the field. Say for example here name of the field is int value 1. Then we need to display its type also. That's why from field we retrieve the property field type, then we will ask for its name. So if it is a boolean, then name will return boolean here. So you can refer the output here. Field name int value, field type int 32, field type single, field type string. So that's how we are displaying the field information. Alright, now let's go to the demo. So as already told, with the reflection you can get publicly exposed members. So since here you are seeing the padlock icon, these are all private, so you cannot get these members. That means member 1 and member 2. Now it's a demo time. Let's go to the demo and see how it works. Okay, in the last video we wrote function show properties. Now so this is a display type info, right? So in the display type info we are already iterating through the types. We are displaying the type name. After that we are asking to show all the property. Now we will ask to show all the fields. So So here is where the show property. Now we will write show fields. The code was already explained in the slide, so we can directly run the sample. So these are all the public members: int val, float val, str, protected, integer, float, and string. All right, now here you can see we retrieved this information: int val1, that's one field, and its data type is integer, int 32. Next, float value 2, and its data type is float or single, so here we are getting it as single. Then str protected, and it is a string. So now suppose if I change the scope from public to protected, and if I run this again, if you see, it will display only 2 field. So with reflection you can get public members and you can display that. So just now you saw the demo. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.